Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. If you're planning to jump into Battlefield Redsec on Steam or via EA app, and you're seeing a message about your PC being incompatible, this video is for you. Today I'm walking through what TPM 2.0 and Secure Boot are, why this game requires them, and then, step by step, how to enable them on your PC, whether you're on Intel or AMD. Plus, how to check whether your motherboard supports these features. Let's dive in. So first, TPM 2.0. TPM stands for Trusted Platform Module. It's a hardware-based or firmware-based security chip or function that stores cryptographic keys and helps your PC verify that its boot process and trusted state haven't been tampered with. Think of it as a little security anchor built into your motherboard CPU. And Secure Boot is a UEFI firmware feature that ensures that when your PC boots, only software signed and trusted by the manufacturer loads. That helps prevent rootkits or malicious code from hijacking your PC before Windows even starts. Why are both needed? Because modern anti-cheat systems and PC game launch policies require a secure foundation. If your system can boot something unsigned, or the chain of trust is broken, then cheats might get loaded before the anti-cheat can spot them. This means if your PC doesn't have TPM 2.0 active and Secure Boot turned on, the game may refuse to install or launch. Why? Because the publisher is enforcing these features to guarantee that players' systems meet a baseline of security integrity, essentially to reduce cheating and ensure fair play. So if you're stuck at "you're not eligible to install" or "system does not meet requirements," this is probably why. Here's how to enable TPM 2.0 on your PC, both for Intel-based and AMD-based boards. Step 1. Restart your PC and enter BIOS or UEFI. The key is usually Delete, F2, or Escape. Check your motherboard manual. Step 2. Once in BIOS, use the tabs to find something like Security, Advanced, Trusted Computing, or similar. On Intel systems, look for Intel Platform Trust Technology, PTT, or simply TPM. On AMD systems, look for AMD CPU fTPM or firmware TPM. Step 3. Set it to Enabled. Save and exit, often F10. Step 4. Boot into Windows. Press Win+R, type tpm.msc and press Enter. In the TPM management window, you should see Specification version 2.0 if it is active. If it says Compatible TPM cannot be found, then either it is disabled in BIOS or your hardware doesn't support it. If you're using AMD and you still get errors after enabling, your motherboard may need a BIOS update for the fTPM firmware. Make sure your disk partition style is GPT, not MBR, and BIOS mode is UEFI, not Legacy, because Secure Boot and TPM often require UEFI mode.
Next up, Secure Boot. Here's how to enable it. Reboot your PC and enter BIOS/UEFI again. Navigate to the Boot tab. Locate Secure Boot. Set to Enabled. Also, ensure OS type is either Windows UEFI or a similar option, not Legacy. Save and exit. After reboot, open System Information in Windows, MS Info 32. Look for Secure Boot State. It should say On. Also verify BIOS mode is UEFI. If it's not, the system may not launch games that enforces these requirements. One thing to note, if your Windows installation was done in Legacy/MBR mode, switching to Secure Boot can sometimes require converting to GPT or reinstalling Windows. Many users report black screens or boot failures if Secure Boot is enabled with MBR partition style. You want to build a new PC, or you're unsure whether your current motherboard supports TPM 2.0 or Secure Boot? Here's what to check. Check your CPU generation. For example, many guides say Intel 8th Gen or later and AMD Ryzen 2000/3000 or later will support TPM 2.0. See similar contexts in anti-cheat requirement notes. Look up the motherboard model on the manufacturer's website. Search for features like TPM header, firmware TPM, security device support, secure boot capable. Verify the motherboard has UEFI firmware, not just legacy BIOS, and supports changing to UEFI boot mode plus secure boot. If it has a TPM header for a discrete TPM module or built-in firmware TPM, you're good. If not, you might consider upgrading the board or adding a TPM module if header exists. So, if you're building or upgrading for Battlefield Redsec, make sure your board mentions TPM 2.0 support plus secure boot capability in specs. And there you have it. If you enable TPM 2.0 and secure boot, and your system meets the other listed specs, 16 GB RAM, appropriate CPU, GPU, etc., you should be ready to install and play Battlefield Redsec without that compatibility error. If this walkthrough helped you, hit the like button, subscribe for more tips like this, and drop a comment if you hit any snags. I'll try to help. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the battlefield.